I got the new T-bag for the T-top here. I went with a different one here, but it still should fit 6 life jackets, which is what I'm supposed to be able to have available whenever I take out passengers for a charter. And it's just nice to have extra life jackets so you don't have to worry about not having enough on board. But this here has the storage space here that you can see for your life jackets, but also has extra pockets on the side so you can put additional storage. And you do have some Velcro pockets as well to store other items in it. So I'm going to install it back here, and hopefully shouldn't take too long to get in place. Let's get to this. Okay. I want this as far as I can have it go back. Let's see how this is. It literally takes a few to figure out how this thing's supposed to go. Alright. And this is always the fun part here. Getting this through the little crack. Finding the space that this can go through easily without breaking anything. Alright, I got one through. Alright, I'm just going to snap this for right now. One down. I think I'm going to take it through this side as well. This path of resistance here. Don't recommend doing this on a windy day. Got one side done. Let's get the other side. Much easier. Much easier. Alright. Bring that back through. I can try to start cinching this as much as I can. They make these straps really long. I'm assuming because of the different size T-tops you can have. And I just know from experience, this is a lot easier with 2 people helping. Here that are a little bit easier to work with that you just want to bring through the loop here. That's going to get the slack that you might have. Again, a bit tricky when you're working in tight spaces. Alright, my camera mount broke, but I was able to get it installed. So I had a strap there, strap here, there's another strap. So basically you have 4 straps on both sides, and then you have a middle strap. That's going to keep it nice and tight up top. And now the only thing to do is to put the life jackets up and see how it looks once it's all zipped up. But so far so good. I have it all the way back as far as I can get it to go, and I think it's looks pretty good. Alright, I got all 6 life jackets up here. Again, this is the large size tea bag that I went with. The good thing about this is I can have enough life jackets on board, especially during summertime when you have a lot of people on the boat. You just don't want to worry about wondering whether or not you have enough life jackets. This year, at least I know I have 6, and then I have some extra in the compartment, and then I can have that I can work with these outside pockets here, and then underneath, you know, bungee storage, and then there's some front pockets that zip up right here as well, which I'll probably put like other emergency related things that I might need accessible. So let me zip it up and get it nice and tight and just see what the finished product looks like here. Alright, it is on there. Let me try to move this boat a little bit closer so I can step on. But zipped up, life jackets are in there. 6 in total. I'll just need to do something about cleaning up these like straps hanging down. But I'm happy with the finished product here. What I'll do is I'll make sure to drop a link in the description which T-top I went with. But hopefully you found this helpful. Unfortunately, as I was working on getting this strapped up, my camera mount broke, so I had to cut that part short. But this is the finished product of the T-bag for the T-top that I went with. That's adjustable for most T-tops that you're looking to install it on. Be sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching. I will see you next time on the water.